and girls, Mr. Rush here with a quick note. I want to try to make myself available and accessible for you so you can score the best possible score on your Chapter 9 project. So I'm going to have a Google Meet or Google Hangout for about a half hour from 9:30 to 10 on Wednesday this week. So that's tomorrow or today, whenever you look at this, or from 10 to 10:30 on Thursday this week. Okay. Why? It's to help get you through this Chapter 9 project. So in updates, you'll see over here in my example, about 5 minutes before these scheduled times, right down here, I will have a link. All you got to do is click on it and we'll be able to see each other. Here's what we can go through if you join me on either of those days. We can look at your script document and we can discuss some of the things that you don't have to make your script a little bit better. Okay. So for example, if you're doing the War of 1812, we can check to make sure you have key vocabulary: impressment, nationalism, search, and seizure. And you'd want to talk about how those things pushed us into war. We'd also want you to add Tecumseh, William Henry Harrison in the discussion here when we're talking about the war with the Native Americans. All right, that's something I noticed in one of our classmates' projects here. Okay, remember when we do our project, you are doing either version 1, 2, or 3. So this means you're doing 2 or 3 options, and it depends on what version you are doing. So check your email, boys and girls, just like it states up here, so you know what version to do. Okay. These section details or elements to include are right over here. You can see in the right sides. Do answer those questions and do use vocabulary. I want to caution you, time of conflict is the hardest one. Every single year I've done this project, it is consistently the hardest one. It is not the most memorable facts and details. That is why. So be careful if you do it. I'm not saying don't, just be cautious of it. There's better options. Okay. A good and prepared student will have their outlines written out like this before you record your Flipgrid project. Super important that you do that. Be mindful of how I'm grading you. We want you to go for greens or proficients, and you're being measured on 5 standards. Okay. Hope to see you Wednesday or Thursday. If not, maybe you figured it out on your own. Good luck. We'll check in back with you on Thursday.